You're not tired? Gwenny, are you tired?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay. Are you sleeping? You're not?
When this bridge was built, or was opened in 1936, it took just 3 years to build. Fairly unbelievable to think of, considering how long it's taken to build this
Don't
bridge.
fall asleep.
At a cost of $77 million, then $6.4 billion now. My helping has
Oh, so tired?
in cost and in
Wake up.
of course, too.
Do you want to go lay in your bed?
No.
No? Are you sure?
No.
You want to go lay down?
No.
Okay. Are you comfy? Okay. Good night.
Not nice.
I love you.